Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing good. Today we're taking a look at Sprezzabox for August 2018. There's really not much to say in these intros because you guys already know what we're doing because of the thumbnail or even the title, which is why you probably clicked on this video. So with that being said, let's get into it. And here we go. We have the card, of course, with everything in this month's box, including the price points. We have two advertisements from Charles Turwitt, and of course, the box itself. First thing out of the box are the original penguin polka dot socks. A gray striped tie. The brand is an Ivy. Very cool. Next thing out of the box is a Tom Aston tie clip that looks like a pair of glasses. A weekend casual lapel pin. Next thing up is a classic fountain pen. And of course, last but not least is this Sprezza notebook. And there you have Sprezzabox for August 2018. Now, of course, I'm going to show you how to style everything in this month's box. We start at the shoes, a pair of brown cap-toe double muck straps with the polka dot socks, a gray pair of chinos, a light gray vest, which I paired with a blue gingham shirt, the gray striped tie, the tie clip, and the lapel pin. And there you have it, Sprezzabox for August 2018. Now, if you are new here or if you haven't heard already, Sprezzabox is a monthly subscription box service at $28 a month that sends you variant men's accessories. Now, the box's value is always worth more than that $28, and this month's box, it is no different, with a value of $116. Not a bad bang per buck. With that all being said, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell icon. It notifies you guys when I post new videos. Tell some friends, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.